I call this little meeting most especially for you.
Me?
Yes, you.
Papa, I just hope I've not done something wrong.
Shut up your mouth and listen first.
Nkem, you are no more a little girl. As you can see, things have not been moving fine in this family. It's not been rosy. For quite some time, your only brother has been sick, and we don't even have the money to take care of him. Not even little treatment. So, because of that, we have run to a conclusion that you will get married.
What? Listen, my daughter. What your father has just said now is correct. So that we could use your bride price to buy things for your brother's sacrifice. So that you'll be well.
So, you people have been planning on how to sell me out, eh? Even you, Mama, even you.
Nobody's planning to sell you out. I'm your mother and I know what is good for you.
No, Mama, you don't. You don't, because if you do, you don't have a hand in this arrangement.
Wait, let me even ask you one question. Are you saying that you won't get married?
Let me go straight to the point now. Mazej, your first son, Nana, wants to marry you.
Nana. Nana. Oh, I remember. You said he wants to marry who?
Me, of course.
Oh, Dimma.
What did you just say? Are you saying that you won't get married?
You should be happy about it. In fact, he is the kind of man that every girl is dreaming to have as a husband. Not that wretched boy, so-called Nkem. At least I thank my God, though, for bringing him around you as a husband.
Mama, please, don't thank anybody for me because I won't marry him. I have somebody I would want to marry.
What did you just say? I hope it's not that little rat that calls himself Nkem that you are talking of. I hope it's not that boy.
Papa, the most important thing is that I love him.
Shut up.
And I would want to marry him.
Shut up. It can never work between you and that your Nkem.
Do you know even the one that pains me most? How she shapes her mouth to talk about love. What do you know about love? Now listen. Get yourself prepared. They are coming here tomorrow for you. Pam. Love.
My daughter, Nana is good for you, and you know that.
Mama, all I'm saying is that I won't marry him. I have somebody I love and want to marry him. You people should leave me alone. I'm not marrying.
Come back! I said come back here! You're working out on me?
You see? Like mother, like daughter. You see?
She said it.